Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with admin rights because system cleanup needs elevated access. Open Settings, go to System then Storage, and turn on Storage Sense to automate temp file removal. Next, launch Disk Cleanup and pick Drive C so you target the OS volume, choose Temporary Files, Recycle Bin, and Thumbnails. Once done, click Cleanup System Files to remove old Windows Update files. This frees gigabytes quickly. Make sure to review selections so you don't remove anything you still need. Now focus on big consumers, large files and apps. Open Storage and expand categories to find large files, sort by size and delete or move items you don't use. Then go to Apps and Features, sort by size, and uninstall unused programs. This removes installed footprints and related data. For photos, videos, and archives, move them to an external drive or cloud storage to immediately reclaim local space. Once moved, empty the recycle bin to finalize recovery and verify free space. Finish by running Storage Sense now and schedule it monthly so cleanup continues automatically. Use built-in or reputable analyzer tools to inspect hidden folders, WinSCs, and system restore snapshots that accumulate over time. If you still see low free space, reduce system restore usage or delete older restore points, and review virtual memory page file size. Set to System Managed if unsure. Troubleshooting tip. If space doesn't update, restart Windows Explorer or reboot, then recheck storage. Stale cache can hide true free space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.